Teso had a number of different medicines that treated different diseases, and some of the medicines included ebatat, etek. These medicines treated a number of different diseases. Ebatat was an anal medicine that was a stem pillow. This ebatat was pounded and the juices was squeezed into the anal cavity of a young child or any adult. And this medicine mainly treated among the other different traditional herbal medicines that were used in Teso included etek. This etek was dug and the roots were mainly beneficial. The roots were mixed with other different medicines and boiled together, and the medicine was taken orally by the patient or anyone that was not feeling well. These different herbal traditional medicines helped Teso to eradicate the different diseases and illnesses in the community because it was highly recommendable and it healed as fast as possible.